in slow motion. Oh, I forgot. I forgot to tell you about the famous student named Ananya. She's my mother. She's the smartest mother. And here she comes, Sharina Devi Katan! So, we're in Al-Qadari shooting competition. No, shooting, it's not a competition, guys. It's not a competition. I get that wrong sometimes. Now, I'm going to show you all around the basement where we are with this rubber band detector. Doing, doing, do. Now, it's time to show you all around. I'll take. Come on, Appa, let's go and show them. So, this is the elevator. And this is the place, and here you can see those chairs people wait, and here they shoot this place here, where they shoot, and here they wait. Oh, and here, if anybody needs to do some work, they can sit. Here are the two cowboy shooters. We can put our head inside these holes over here. And look, we can be like them and take a picture. Here also we can make a picture. Whoever got first can stand second and third, like that. Here's the waiting rooms where we shoot here. It's the same what we done to this place. Now here's the steps. And let's go to the ground. And I forgot. Here we play some games or anything. And look here. What we do. We have to get a gun and shoot. Not really, just simply. And we can see with the glasses, there are some things we should shoot. Animals or anything. Here's the place where people do. And here we have somebody who's sitting, and here are all the guns. Here are all the guns. You can hear that shooting sound now. So, I am going to be gone, and I will make some new videos. So, bye! Give a like and an inscription and a like. Hope you enjoy this video about magic. I'll make some more crafty videos. If you like, tell in the comments below what video you like. I'll make it for you.